Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. In our today's video, I am going to explain what do the 24 spokes of Ashoka Chakra represent. Let's know about Ashoka Chakra. Chakra means wheel. All the 24 spokes of the Dharma Chakra are the representation of the 24 rishis of Himalayas. The Ashoka Chakra is also known as Samay Chakra, in which the 24 spokes represent 24 hours of the day and is the symbol of the movement of the time. The 24 spokes of Ashoka Chakra are: chastity is the first spoke. It inspires to live a simple life. Second spoke, health. It inspires to be healthy from body and mind. Third spoke, peace. It represents to maintain peace and harmony throughout the country. Fourth spoke, sacrifice. It says to be ready for any sacrifice for the sake of the country and society. The fifth spoke is morality. It says to maintain high morality in professional and personal life. The sixth spoke is service. It says to be ready to serve country and society when needed. Seventh spoke is forgiveness. It's a feeling of forgiveness towards humans and other creatures. Eighth spoke is love. That is, to love towards the country and all other creatures of the God. Ninth spoke is friendship. It says to be having cordial relation with all the citizens. 10th spoke is fraternity. It says to develop a sense of brotherhood in the country. 11th spoke is organization. Says in strengthening the unity and integrity of the nation. 12th spoke is welfare. It says to participate in welfare activities related to country and society. 13th spoke is prosperity. It says to actively participate in the development of the country. 14th spoke is industry. It says to assist the country in its industrial progress. 15th spoke is safety, which tells to be always ready for the protection of the country. 16th spoke is awareness. It says to be aware of the truth and don't believe in rumors. 17th spoke is equality. That is, establishment of a society based on equality. 18th spoke is artha. That is, optimum utilization of money. 19th spoke is policy. It says to have faith in the country's policy. 20th spoke is justice. It's talking about justice for all. 21st spoke is cooperation, that is working together. 22nd spoke is duties. It says to obey your duties honestly. 23rd spoke is rights. That is, do not abuse your rights. 24th spoke is wisdom. It says to have knowledge beyond books. These 24 spokes give a clear message to all the country people about their rights and duties. These spokes are like 24 principles which should be followed by the citizens so that the differences of caste, religion, language and attire can be minimized. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to get our daily video notifications. Also drop your comments in the comment section.